you got a question, I've got an answer. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Orit in Cincinnati, Ohio. Orit, how are you?
Good, Brad. How are you?
Good,
Thank
good.
you for everything you're doing.
My pleasure. What can I do to help you today?
My mother-in-law, she is here with us, and she wants to apply for her kids. They're under 21.
Mm-hmm.
And we already filed, and they send us the affidavit form, but she don't have any income.
Okay. Now, your mother is a citizen, a resident?
A resident. She's not my mother. She's my mother-in-law.
Okay. All right. So she's going to sign an I-864 affidavit of support, and she's going to show zero income. By law, she has to fill it out, and she writes, where it says income zero, assets zero, whatever. It could be zero right down the board. She signs it. I got zero. Then you live in the same home as her?
Yes.
Okay. You as a household member in the same home as your mother-in-law can do an I-864A and add every person who earns money in that household. So that would be you, your husband, if there's other people in the household who earn money, all do I-864As. And you add up all of your income. And if you're all of everybody's income in the household, when you do all the I-864As, is 125% above the poverty level for all the people in the house plus the additional children coming, you're good. If you're still not there yet, then you go to household number 2 and you get an I-864 from an initial person in household number 2 and get all the other people in that household to do I-864As and add up that income as well.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay. Like a joint sponsor, you mean?
Yes, but you're not even the joint sponsor. You're an additional household member. So you're going to do an I-864A, your husband's I-864A, and then I was saying if that income doesn't add up, then you go to the joint sponsor.
Okay.
All right? But put that on your mother-in-law, 000. It's fine, and she signs it.
Okay.
All
Thank
right?
you.
Good luck.
Okay.
Let's go to Minette in Muskegon, Michigan. Minette.
Yes, good day to you, or good evening. My question is, my sister used to travel from Jamaica, and they sent her back like 2 years ago, for 5 years. They assume she working, but she have a fiancé here that's scared to travel. How can she get a fiancé visa to come up here? They want to get married, but he is scared to go to Jamaica.
Why is he scared to go to Jamaica?
He don't want to fly.
Okay, fine. So then you would do a fiancé visa, but he has to marry her when she comes here within the first 90 days. Is he willing to do that?
Yes.
Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a fiancé visa. And when she goes for her fiancé visa appointment, it's going to be denied for the prior misrepresentation of working on a visitor's visa and getting deported at the airport. And she's going to need 2 waivers. One, a 212 waiver for the removal at the airport and a I-601 waiver for the misrepresentation. Both of them are basically the same thing. They're based on hardship to this man up here in America. So if he's terrified to go on an airplane, he would never be able to see his wife for the rest of his life if she wouldn't get a fiancé visa to come here. All right, so that's a big burden because the U.S. government says, well, we're not telling you you can't live with your wife. We're saying you can't live with your wife here in America. Well, I can't get on an airplane, so basically you're telling me I can never live with my wife. So now all of a sudden that's an extreme hardship, perhaps, and then she gets waivers to come here to do the fiancé visa.
Okay.
All right, so we can help. I made it very, very simple, but it's a little more complicated, the waiver, but that's the basic concept.
Okay.
All right, so hold on one second. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.